Intelligent Technology Limited is a high-tech enterprise that focuses on intelligent logistics system, intelligent manufacturing solutions, and integrates sales, R&D, design, manufacturing, and services. The Sales and Technical Support Center is located in Shanghai. The Delivery and Operations Center is located in Qingdao. Driven by intelligent technology from all kinds of conveyors, sorting equipment, AS/RS, robots, AGVS, visual identification systems, software systems to intelligent manufacturing system integration, KENGIC has become a full industrial chain service provider with leading technologies at home and abroad, high-end equipment, R&D and production capabilities, independent software development capabilities, and personalized, customized industrial solutions. The business now covers many industries such as express delivery, e-commerce, home appliances, medical devices, medicine, apparel, automobiles, Tyre, military, etc. Intelligent Distribution Solution. Representative projects include Tyre RRS Third-Party Logistics DC, YANWEN Cross-Border E-Commerce DC, JMBY Shoes and Apparel DC, etc. Intelligent Conveying and Sorting Solution. Representative projects include SF Long1 Automatic Sorting System Project, Kola Ningbo Automatic Sorting System Project, etc. Intelligent Storage Solution. Representative projects include Shiva Medical Instruments AS/RS Project, Sophia Wardrobe AS/RS Project, Jinshan Police Security System AS/RS Project, etc. Intelligent Manufacturing Solution. Representative projects include Schmidt Automatic Order Placing System Project, Hefei Wanli Tyre Production Automation Project, etc. We have the world's leading scientific research and manufacturing strength, rich project management experience and supply chain support resources, and a strong software R&D team to meet the customized needs. We have efficient project delivery capability and tailor-made one-stop turnkey project for customers. There's also a frontline professional after-sales service team of more than 100 people, which can respond quickly of 7 times 24 hours in the whole life cycle. Our products and equipment are sold in more than 30 provinces and cities in China and are exported to Southeast Asia, Japan, Korea, Russia, and other countries. Storage product, mini load, max load 100 kg, max height 20 meters, max traveling speed 240 meters per minute, max lifting speed 90 meters per minute, SRM pallet, load 5000 kg, max height 30 meters, max traveling speed 200 meters per minute, max lifting speed 60 meters per minute. E-shuttle system, max load 50 kg, max traveling speed 280 meters per minute. Sorting product, vertical cross belt sorter, sorting efficiency, meter or equals to 16,000 pieces per hour, max load 30 kg, max speed 2.8 meters per second. Loop cross belt sorter, sorting efficiency, greater or equals to 25,000 pieces per hour, single deck, greater or equals to 50,000 pieces per hour, double deck, max load 40 kg, max speed 2.8 meters per second. One carrier, two belts, cross belt sorter, sorting efficiency, greater or equals to 25,000 pieces per hour, single deck, greater or equals to 50,000 pieces per hour, double deck, max load 50 kg, max speed 2.8 meters per second. Steerable wheel sorter, sorting efficiency 2,500 to 9,000 pieces per hour, max load 70 kg. Main product, open conveyor, max load 50 kg, max speed 90 meters per minute. Pallet roller conveyor, max load 1,500 kg, max speed 24 meters per minute. A chain conveyor, max load 1,500 kg, max speed 24 meters per minute. pallet lifting transferring machine, max load 3000 kg, max speed 24 meters per minute. Belt conveyor, max load 80 kg per square meter, max speed 50 meters per minute. Scopic belt conveyor, max load 60 kg per square meter, max speed 30 meters per minute. Carrying product, HGV, max load 1000 kg, max speed 1.5 meters per second. Pallet elevator, max load 2000 kg, max speed 90 meters per minute, max height 40 meters. RGV, max load 1500 kg, max speed 200 meters per minute. Robot product, parallel robot, max load 5 kg, max speed 10 meters per second. Joint robot, max load 500 kg, max speed 10 meters per second. Entry robot, max load 700 kg, max speed 4 meters per second. Software product, warehouse automation system, manufacturing execution system, smart factory platform. We will continue to focus on innovation and embrace change, with the goal of let automation, informatization, and intellectualization be fully popularized and push forward the Industry 4.0 and Made in China 2025. KENGIC will support the steady development and prosperity of smart logistics and intelligent manufacturing.